It is confirmed. Tesla full self-driving is coming to China. Why is this a big deal, you ask? Well, in 2021 and 2022, Tesla sold about 500,000 vehicles each, totaling 1 million vehicles already existing in China. In 2023, it looks like they're going to sell about 700,000 vehicles in China, so we're already at a 1.7 million vehicles capable of FSD. So you take the 15% take rate that Tesla is already achieving with customers who want to buy FSD. You take the $12,000 price that they were charging, and you already get $3 billion pretty much straight to the bottom line on existing vehicles in China. And assuming 700,000 vehicles sold in China going forward, and that's an additional $1.3 billion per year. Guys, these are significant numbers relative to the profits that Tesla has been showing recently. I mean, the China FSD rollout should help Tesla beat on EPS estimates in 2024. And Tesla has been putting the pieces in place for this for a while. In 2021, the company established a data center in Shanghai. Tesla had also assembled an FSD operations team and a data labeling team in Shanghai. It just blows my mind how many investments Tesla has been making the last couple of years while still maintaining this industry-leading operating margin. They've been building out Giga Berlin, building out Giga Texas, tooling for the Cybertruck. They've been buying the world's most amount of compute, revamping the Model 3, designing Optimus, and building a data center in Shanghai. So we're about to see a huge return on investment on the work that Tesla has done in China. And not just because people are going to be buying FSD in China now, but because FSD will be available on Tesla vehicles in China. This is going to increase demand. It's going to increase Tesla's market share. Several Chinese automakers already have what they call navigate on autopilot, but what Tesla is going to be offering with FSD V12 is potentially far more impactful, giving autonomous driving in all urban environments. A potential headwind foreseen by many Tesla investors over the last year was the idea that China's not going to like an American company deploying a fleet of robots equipped with 8 cameras each. If I was China, I probably wouldn't love that either, but the fact that the Tesla China team just confirmed that this rollout is happening could mean that we're in the clear, although Tesla has been known to ask for forgiveness rather than for permission. Tesla China analyst predicts that FSD in China will start rolling out as soon as next month. And just yesterday, we got an ultra bullish tweet from Elon on FSD. He writes, "Supervised FSD is vastly safer than human driving, but unsupervised FSD is trending well. Over time, V12 with end-to-end neural nets will far exceed human safety even when unsupervised." And if that happens, 3 very good things will happen to us. The first is that the rate of accidents, injuries, and deaths will go down. The second good thing is that the take rate of FSD will go up. And the third good thing is that the price of FSD will go up. And you might take an issue with the price of FSD going up if it can save lives, because isn't it immoral to raise the price of something that everybody should have? Well, tell that to your hospital. Besides, I think car ownership is going to fall off significantly in the future, and we're going to transition to big fleet operators owning most of the vehicles because they're going to be purchasing them in hopes of deploying them as robotaxis. And it's that competition between fleet operators that is what is going to drive up the price of FSD. But just to recap, I mean, Tesla doesn't even need to reach level 4 for this event, this rollout in China, to be a material event for us investors worth talking about. Because guys, just a take rate of 15% gets us $3 billion on existing vehicles already, $1.3 billion every year thereafter. If the take rate or the price of FSD or the annual volumes of Tesla vehicles sold go up, any of those 3, then so does those annual profits from software. So remember, guys, this is just the 3rd country with a rollout of FSD out of 195 possible countries. Maybe there'll be a time in my life when I can take a Tesla vehicle with FSD from Kazan, Russia to Cape Town, South Africa. Who knows? And I know 60% of you are from the United States, and so I have one thing to say to you. Happy Thanksgiving. And to the rest of you, have a good day. Thanks for watching.